What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video of Animal Company. We're gonna check out the new update. I'm with Mr. Park.
Yay!
Why do you always say it? Okay, do you have anything to say? Short.
No, I don't really know anything. I didn't know it's an update actually. I forgot.
Okay.
So.
Thank you for the short. My last
Oh
short.
yeah.
The support on that video, and I almost reached. Maybe it already reached that I didn't check today. 1K views. I got I think 5 new subs from it, and I hope you're watching this video as well. We're gonna check out the new update and let's get into it. Okay, first, I don't think we really need a grappler, so I'm gonna get a grenade for entertainment purposes only. He has no money. Come here.
I have no money.
Wait where you are. Oh fuck. No! Hello! We are a ghost!
Wait, what?
We are a ghost! Look at me!
No.
Hello!
How can you fly or?
Yeah, you need to swim.
Oh, swim!
And like this you can revive each other, but I accidentally unalived you as well. Otherwise you can get the ghost in your hand, put it in the body, and he will come back. Let's try that. So hold any button to respawn.
You're sick.
So funny. Wait, let me look at you.
This is so sick.
Okay, so I'm
Wait, let me die to mine. Don't buy anything. Don't buy.
Yeah, too late. Okay, I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Okay, just go on mine. Okay. Hello, Mr. Ghost. Oh my god, he's so
Wait,
cute.
can you see me?
Yes. I got you now.
Why did you pick me? Wait. Kill yourself. Go on mine. I want to see that from my perspective.
I am a ghosty boy. Hello.
Oh, you're so ugly.
No, I'm
Oh,
cute.
come-
Look at my yacht.
Wait, now I can take you everywhere.
Where's my body? My body is right there.
But your body doesn't respond until you respond. Bro, I can do everything with you.
No, I will die.
Will it-
There's a timer.
Wait. Wait. Let's kill yourself in a bit. And then wait.
Welcome
Kill
back.
yourself again, but go in the water this time. Look if you can go underwater or go through walls.
Well, I don't think I can be revived then, but
No, don't. Yeah, try it, but I mean, like, go in the mine and go in the water. Like, can you go through walls?
nah, you stop with walls. But I'm gonna try. If you fall into the water, will your body respawn to your friend? Wait there. I don't think my body respawned. Get me?
So swim back down.
Now my body's despawned, and I'm alone. My body's
Come.
away.
Come.
I'm a respawn. Oh my. Hello, Mr. Ghost. You are respawned. I respawned.
Update, bro.
So that's one part. A funny little cute ghost.
So when somebody dies, you can actually just revive him.
Yes, and it's infinite. So if I die, you revive me, and if I die again, you can also still revive me, and you'll keep your stuff since it's with your body.
That's so overpowered.
Yes,
But
because I
don't your
always
stuff
die.
drop when you die? Don't your stuff drop when you die?
I can try it with some sticks. Stick.
Put something in your hip. Can you put something in your hip?
Nah, that will cost money and I'm not very rich. So. Look at these. Pop, pop, pah! And revive me?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's still in my hand, so that's new. Normally you won't. Normally you dropped it. So if you bring me back, please. My voice is also so funny. Look,
Yeah.
I have my stuff back.
Oh, that's so overpowered.
No one
But
can
what if you
take it.
fall in the void? Wait, die again? Wait, let me die and try to take it from my back.
Okay. Just one shot, but. Oh my god, where did your body go? Oh, it's right there. You can see how you're laying.
Why do I seem so slow?
I'll get you. Cutie patootie. Look at your body.
Wait, look if you can take my stuff back.
Okay.
Drop me though.
Yeah, go away. No, I can't. Where the? Oh, you cute little batootie. No! Come here.
Wait, bring me to the fan.
Okay. Bro, you won't fly on the fan if I drop you right now. Look. You just stay. So let me res you real quick. Yeah, oh my.
Not gonna happen, bro.
No. You're too cute to die. No. Oh, okay. Ghosty boy is dead. Okay, so that's super overpowered. You can't res yourself, I think. Because I've already tried that off cam. If you die. And oh yeah, you got that yesterday, it's true. If I die, I can't res myself because if I go inside myself.
Hey, yo.
So if you play alone, you won't be able. You can better just respawn because nothing will happen. I'm gonna respawn too.
Wait, can I kill you when you're?
Nah, you can go on a landmine as a ghost, but you won't die. So. But that's not the only thing new. There's also a new map. And it's right here. It's a portal. In the TV. And you jump in. It's only up. So no, you can't use a hard gun and grappler here. That's office. So you can just go easy to office.
Wait, only up?
Yes. Okay, follow me. I already did this part with a friend. Wait. Yes, now the timer of the real only up has started. So you gotta be quick. Come on.
Oh shit.
But we don't really need to break a record or something.
Oh wait, you can't go on that.
Take this fan. Yoink.
Make the jump, Oh shit.
Shit.
You can make this jump.
Yes? No, you can't. You can't.
No, you can. I made it.
Then why did you come back? No. Gotta climb this.
Because I wanted to tell you.
Oh no. No. No, I don't like this method, man. I'm better at... Ow. Wait, you can. Oh my god, you fly far up.
Look, come here.
No! I'm not gonna use that because you'll just fly off by ages. I'm gonna try it one more time. No, that's what I mean. Gonna do that. Okay. Let me.
Oh, bro, I missed a big part.
Ow! No, why do I hit back? Gonna pinch climb. I think that's better. Oh my god, why did I just go up here? I never finished this parkour when I did it with a friend. I hope I can finish it right now. Be nice.
Look above, look here. I went the wrong way.
No, this isn't wrong. Nothing wrong with this. This is good. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no, no, no.
You need to do against the wall.
No! 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 This game sucks, man. It's probably just because I'm bad. Because I kinda just woke up 30 minutes ago. So at the time of recording, of course. Yo, brother! Fuck. I got the wrong way. Gotta get up there, but how? How did I do this last time? Oh yes, it's right here. Bruh. No, that wasn't the route of last time. I don't care. Gotta be quick. There's a timer waiting for me to finish this goddamn parkour. Wow, I really. I mean, I hate it, but I keep playing. That's my logic. He probably made it and thinks he's cool.
Hello.
I let you fell too.
Yeah, but like I can make this jump all the time. But the next one is very hard.
No! Yes! Finally! I did it!
Now we need to go down the. Go.
Yes, I know you need to go here, but you don't really need to lean jump because you are. Wait, where am I going? Okay. Taking a little route that was for no reason.
Now look
Okay.
at this. Look at this. Look.
Yes, I know you fly up. No! No, I will never make this. That's why I'm doing this. Oh my god, I did it! I did it! Wait. 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 No. You where the I'm gonna wait for you. Oh wait, that's the wrong. Oh! No!
You.
Okay, come. We were just done with the video. We're gonna do the outro, but I mean, I wanted to record 2 videos in one day. So,
Alright.
thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Being as a ghost for the camera didn't work because you just saw my dead body right there, and yes, it was kind of not good to watch. This guy.
You come with me. Come.
No, don't come with him. You're in the outro this time. He isn't. No, but this is the new gang. Make videos with us 3. Maybe only him, maybe only him, maybe only me. I mean, like us 2. Me with Mr. Puck, me with Mr. Green. I'm gonna call it that because he doesn't have. Or me alone. Or we all together. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Yoink!